Hey Groovy babies, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing another downtown variation, or two, and I'm going to help you guys understand where are we at now. 9 and 10. So today we are going to cover those two variations. I'm going to show you what they look like, of course, and then we'll hop right into the juicy stuff. Let's do it.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
It's a little wet out here today, so pray for me. But you know, we gotta get this done for my babies. So let's go ahead and start with downtown number 9. It looks like this. Honestly, this one is a little tough for me because downtown number 9 requires you to be able to spin both ways and then hop right back into the downtown. So fingers crossed that I don't completely butcher this. That's the best I can do right now. So don't worry, I'll break it down. If you got your spins down both directions, you're already ahead of the game, okay? Because that's what most of this is going to be practicing on and drilling, okay? Next, we have downtown number 10. Looks like this. Bam! Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Except I need to work on these spins, so I'm gonna do it along with you guys. I have been drilling it, but for the most part, like, I don't know, spinning this way is tough. So I would recommend start getting used to spinning the opposite direction, because this is my direction. So you definitely want to practice spinning the other direction. So let's do it. Hopping into number 9. So all you're gonna do is I'm gonna start to my right, downtown, over, back. From here, I'm kind of pushing my heel out and pushing this heel out to come all the way around, and then you end right back up onto your left heel to go this way. Same thing, right, heel, push, spin, back, heel, push, spin, back. I think that's helping me. So when I hit a corner, like when I'm about to do my turn, I'll do a little heel push so that it's easier to turn around and control it. Heel, push, back, here. Heel, push, back, here. Heel, push, back, here. It's really hard to do, especially like if it's to a fast beat. So I would definitely just recommend keep drilling your non-dominant side, which I'm still going to clearly be working on. But essentially that's all it is to it. You're doing spin on your right side, spin on your left, and downtown in between. Again, here, here. And also it's in your shoulders. Open your shoulders. So stop, pop that heel out, go back, use your shoulders, back, back. Yeah. All right, let me do it from the back for you. Let me start here. 5, 6, 7, 8, downtown, spin, back, spin, back, spin, back. As you can see, this side is way smoother than that side. So just got to keep drilling it. So just take your time with it. Keep drilling it. Like I said, everything is practice all the time, every time. Moving on. Now we're going to hop into downtown number 10. 10 is a fun little steppy step in the middle. So when I'm going here, I'm gonna do, ooh. So when I'm going downtown, back, back, here, back, back. So it's like a oops, 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 oops. So get used to like rolling and then like popping that foot up real fast. Quick little pop up. 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's kind of like a 0, but with a little. 5, 6, 7, 8. Downtown, 1, 2. Downtown, 1, 2. So, okay. Another thing is, when you're doing this, 1, 2. Be ready to step right back into it. Here, 1, 2. Step, follow through. Here, whoop. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Step out, follow through. Okay. 1, 2. Step out, follow through. 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 That's a good little jingle right there. I'll do it from the back for you. 5, 6, 7, 8. Downtown, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yeah, really simple. The only one that I feel is really challenging for me is of course number 9 with the spins on both sides. So next video, hopefully I'll have it down a little bit better for you guys. But like I said, everything is a work in progress. You got to keep practicing. There's no way around it, okay? There's no way around it. Nobody's perfect, especially not me, okay? I'm still learning too, but I'm just sharing a little bit of knowledge that I have with you guys because I love you and I want all of us to be groovy together. Duh. So I think that's it. That's it. All right. You know the drill. We are about to do 1 through 10. Holy crap, we've done 10 downtown variations together. Woo! So we're gonna start from 1, break it down all the way to 10. Hope you're ready. Let's do it. Starting with number 1, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 1. 1 pump. 1 pump. 2, 2 pumps. 2 pumps. 3. 1, 2, 3. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. 5. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Downtown. Hit it. 1. 1. 1. We're getting ready for 6. Back. 6. 1, 2. Shuffle. Shuffle. Over. Over. Down. 1. 7. 1, 2. Back. Back. Over. Over. Down. Hit it. 1. 8. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1. 1. Downtown. 1. Now we're going to 9. Back, spin, down, back, spin, down. Ooh, 10. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Woo! Congratulations. You just made it to downtown number 10. All right, that is it for today, Groovy Babies. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment below. Please share it, because this is something that I love to do and I want to continue to do for you guys. Thank you so very much for all of your support. Until next time, stay groovy. Peace.
I love you, 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 I love you.